Hey guys. All right, so let's talk about graphing lines. All right, so um, when we're graphing lines, remember we said M is how you move, how the function moves, and B is where you begin. Okay, so when we're graphing, we're going to remember those things, okay? Y must be by itself. And, a lot of times you have a slope that's just a number, right? And we know that slope is rise over run, right? So if it's just like a 2 or a 3, that would be just a rise, right? So if there's no run, put a 1, okay? And you'll see what I'm talking about here in just a second. All right, so here's example 1. So I have y equals 2x plus 4. So my slope is 2, right? It's the number in front of the x. So if it's 2, there's no rise over run, right? It's a 2, no run, so I'm going to put a 1, right? Okay, I'm just doing that you'll see why here in a minute. And then my y-intercept, or my b, is 4, okay? That's going to tell me where to begin whenever I am going to graph this, okay? So this 4 right here, the y-intercept is actually at 0, 4. That is a point on that line. So I'm going to go 0, 4. That is 1 point on that line, okay? Now the slope gets me to another point on the line, okay? All right, so from this point right here, not the origin, from this point, from the y-intercept, I'm going to use the slope to find another point on the line. I'm going to go up 1, 2, and over 1. So this is my rise, was 2, and then my run was 1, right? So there's 2, and there's 1. My rise was 2, my run was 1, okay? All right, so now I have 2 points. In between any 2 points, there is exactly 1 line. Okay? All right. And that is y equal 2x plus 4. That's how you graph a line. Okay? But suppose they give you the line in standard form. Well, remember we said y has to be by itself, so that means we need to solve for y. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 8. Okay, so we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. So I have 2y equals 8 minus 3x. Divide everything by 2. So I have y equals 4 minus 3 over 2x. I'm going to bring this over here. 4 minus 3 over 2x. So my slope is a negative 3 over 2. My y-intercept is 4. Okay. Now the b tells me where to begin. So that is a point on the line. Remember, this is at 0, 4. Crosses the y-axis, intercepts the y-axis at 4. This slope gets me to another point on the line. So it's a negative 3 over 2. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and to the right 2. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, to the right 2. You want to do it again? Sure. 1, 2, 3, to the right 2. If you keep doing it over and over again, you're going to get the same line, right? And look, I'm going to go through every one of those points perfectly because it's the same slope, right? So this is y equals negative 3 over 2x plus 4. Now notice this time I put the minus 3 over 2x, or negative 3 over 2x in front. It doesn't matter which order it goes. All right? Okay. That's it for those notes. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? Okay. See you on the practice problems.